Can you use Terisol on open wounds? Terisol Wound Care. Dosage form: ointment. Ingredients: allantoin 0.5 grams in 100 grams, benzethonium chloride 0.1 grams in 100 grams. Labeler: Aidence Skincare and Topical Solutions, LLC. NDC code 249091117. Drug facts. Active ingredient: allantoin 0.5%. Benzethonium chloride 0.1%. Purpose: allantoin, skin protectant. Benzethonium chloride, antiseptic. Uses: helps protect skin and supports healing of minor cuts, scrapes, burns and wounds, including pressure sores, diabetic ulcers, cracked skin and lips. Topical antiseptic to help decrease the risk of skin infection. Warnings: for external use only. When using this product, do not get into eyes. Stop use and ask a doctor if condition worsens, symptoms last more than 7 days or clear up and occur again within a few days. Do not use on deep or puncture wounds, animal bites or serious burns. Keep out of reach of children. If swallowed, call poison control or seek medical help. Directions: wash and dry affected skin. Apply a thin layer of Terisol. Cover affected area with a clean bandage. Repeat procedure 2 to 3 times daily until skin improves. Store at room temperature. Inactive ingredients: bentonite, Cera-alba, organic beeswax, magnesium oxide, peppermint oil, sage oil, silver oxide, Simonsia chinensis, jojoba, seed oil, tea tree oil, zinc oxide.